What's up? This is Karina, the girl from Visual Soccer here, and this is that is Tito, one of my best friends. She's the only one that I have, so yeah. She's the only true person. So if you live around Oakland or some sort of area, come visit us. We can go and kick it like the whole day. And we produce this very well. And shout out to y'all people, especially Maria Rivas. I love you, girl. And who else? And well, who else? Kind of who else? Yoshi, and that's what's up, Yoshi. And well, the real name is Carlos, but we call him Yoshi. She's Luigi, and I'm Mario. I'm Mario, and love that, you know. And he Yoshi because he's a man. I don't know. Anyway, we just try to do a YouTube account because it's not mine, it's my dad's. Anyway, we're trying to do this so that we won't get bored whenever she comes to my house. And I'm a believer, I'm a Mahoney, and I'm a directioner. I want to show that. I like how the books of direction, how the posters of direction. My room is full of it. Later on, I'm going to let you guys come in my room and tell you, not right now. Anyway, she's just in my house, so we were going to study. Then, this is studying for us. Anyway, I got green eye contacts. Oh, yeah, see it? If you guys sorry, she got blue eye contacts. It's just that she's really shy right now. She needs to like get more into YouTube, I guess. And then we're gonna do funny moments later on when we get like more comfortable and shit. Yeah. So we'll just see that inside. Here we are. It's my house, so don't come talking bitches. No, I'm just kidding. No, no, no. I'm not talking that. Isn't that? I'm nervous right now. 5.1. What am I? 853. 5'3". She's 5'2". Everything is pink. Mine is pink. Amber blue. And purple. And red. Anyway, we're friends since last year. But the friends that we saw each other were like, hey, we're friends. But we were never like besties and shit. Until like now, we're like more close to each other. But not like that. No, 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 wait. They're like our best friends and stuff. Damn, I always have the white. Anyway, yeah. I look like culebra. I look like Medusa, bro. I'm Mexican, so you'll see me like say Spanish words. And if you guys don't understand it, just comment and I'll tell you what it is. And I'll put later on what you guys hear when I'm bored. I'll put these things and things you will request, so I'll make you guys for that. And if anyone has questions about players, just tell me, you know. Yeah, I'm an expert. And I have a daily thing a lot. And my favorite account is going to be down. And hope to see you guys later on. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.